In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put together an outfit on Pinterest desktop. We'll start with a single item, build a collage with matching pieces, and then publish it so others can discover your look. Open Pinterest in your desktop browser and head to the search bar at the top. Click inside and type T-shirt to pick a simple starting piece. Press enter to see results. Then browse until you find a pin that fits the vibe you want. Maybe a color you love or a cut that matches your style. Click the pin to open its detail page. On the pin page, look for the three dots near the Save button. That's your More Options menu. Click it, then choose Add to Collage. If this is your first time using collages, you'll be prompted to create one. Go ahead and select Create a New Collage. Pinterest will open the collage creation tool with your t-shirt placed on the canvas. Take a moment to adjust the layout. You can drag the item to reposition it, use the corner handles to resize, and rotate it slightly for a more natural look. This is where you set the visual balance, leaving room for the rest of the outfit. Clean spacing makes the final collage easier to read. Now it's time to add complementary pieces. Use the search inside the collage tool and type pants to find bottoms that work with your shirt. Consider fabric, color, and silhouette. Neutrals pair easily, and contrasting textures can make the outfit pop. When you find something you like, click the plus sign to add it to your collage. Move and size it so it sits neatly alongside your top. You can repeat this to experiment with alternatives until the combination feels cohesive. When your layout looks polished, click Next. You'll land on the details page, which helps your collage get discovered. Add a clear title, something like Casual T-shirt and Pants Outfit, so viewers instantly know what they're seeing. In the description, briefly explain the vibe, occasion, or key pieces. Including style keywords, colors, or season can improve search visibility while keeping it natural. Choose the board where you want to save your collage. Pick a board that matches the theme so it's easy to find later. If you want others to customize your look, turn on Enable Remixing. This allows people to build on your collage while crediting the original. Add thoughtful alt text to describe the items and colors for accessibility. Short, direct descriptions work best. Finally, click Publish. Your outfit is now live on Pinterest, saved to your chosen board, and ready to inspire. Enjoy experimenting with more pieces and creating a collection that reflects your style.